The tiny lighter in your pocket holds enough energy to boil an entire swimming pool. Sounds crazy, right? But it's true. Okay, not in one flick, but all the energy inside it, fully unleashed, really could heat a shocking amount of water. Let's figure out how something so small can hold so much hidden power. First, what's actually inside a lighter? It's a liquid called butane, squished into a tiny tank. Butane is a fuel, and fuel is basically energy that's been packed into a really tight little package. Think of it like a stretched rubber band. It looks calm, but it's holding tension, ready to snap. When you flick the lighter, the spark lets that energy out all at once. Snap. Flame. That flame is butane grabbing oxygen from the air and rearranging itself into new stuff. And here's the secret. When those atoms rearrange, they release heat. A lot of heat. Every gram of butane carries about as much energy as a gram of TNT. Yes, really, the difference is speed. TNT dumps its energy in a flash. The lighter lets it out slow and gentle. Same energy, different pace. One explodes, one warms your marshmallow. A full lighter holds a few grams of butane. That's a few grams of TNT's worth of energy, just sitting there. Now let's do the pool math the simple way. Heating water takes a known amount of energy. Warming 1 cup of water by a tiny bit barely costs anything. But a pool has millions of cups. Still, the energy in a full lighter is so big it can nudge a whole pool's temperature up. Spread that energy across the water, and you could lift a swimming pool from cold to surprisingly warm. Why does fuel pack such a punch? Because it stores energy in the bonds between atoms. Those bonds are like tiny coiled springs. Break and rebuild them and energy pops out. This is the same trick your body uses. The food you eat is just slow, edible fuel. It's why a spoon of oil has more energy than a heavy battery the same size. Fuel is dense, so that little lighter isn't just a flame. It's a pocket-sized tank of concentrated power. Next time you flick one, remember you're holding a tiny piece of stored sunshine, waiting to escape. Everyday objects are hiding wild secrets like this everywhere. Subscribe and let's keep uncovering them together.